So when you're creating a chart, the first thing that you'll always want to do is highlight the labels. So we know that for this chart, you are going to want to have the date and the price. And technically those are both labeled data points, but what's our real data between date and price? What are we trying to track? Like, what are we trying to graph there with a line? The date or the price? The price, that's right. So we always want to highlight our labels first. I'm just going to highlight 4. You have a lot more. So highlight all of the dates, and then let's begin our chart. You can click right here on this icon to start your chart. So right now, this is not the right kind of line graph because all it does is chart the dates. What I want to do is I'm going to add in more data. And I clicked on that little chart and then chose add another data range. And I'm going to move this, and I'm just going to choose my price column. And once those are both in there, and they need to be consistent. So if I start at A2, I'll start at B2 here. And I'm going to click OK. Now it still thinks I'm trying to chart 2 different things. Still thinks I'm trying to chart the date and the price. But really I want to use column A as the labels. So I'm going to check that, and you'll see it changes my whole chart. In fact, now I have dollars over here, and I have the date down here. And I've got a nice chart that shows me what that stock did over the period of time that I checked it. Now you want to make sure you customize and give it a title. I'm just calling it Apple stock, and you can of course do that a little bit more as well. More customizing, that is. And I'm going to add this to its own sheet. Now that might have been too quick, might have been frustratingly too quick for some of you, but I'm going to post this video, and then that's what you would do for each of your stocks. Make sure you move it to its own sheet, and the last thing I'll do is just label that tab down there as well. All right.